Hi, today I want to talk about FancyGrid. This tool I found it on Twitter. Check it, I found it very useful and I decided to make a small tutorial about it and show you how to use this tool with ASP MVC, and same time maybe you can load data from our SQL database. So maybe our video will be two parts. First part I will show you how to create your application on ASP MVC using Visual Studio and how to make connection with database. Second video, I'll show you how to use this tool, FancyGrid, and make compare between this tool and what we have in our Visual Studio. This will be generated, and what we have more features in this one. So just let me show you very fast here what they have features here and why I like this tool. Actually, too many features. You can use how to load your data, JSON or Ajax or from files, or you can use APIs. Easy to use it with filtering and paging, and same time you can use grouping. Okay, let's see step by step. I will try to show you many features that we can see here. Actually, our application will be like this one. I want to add this tool, as we said here, as we see this one here with paging, and we can see here filtering and searching. Sorry, and we can here sort our data. So let's start. First things, open Visual Studio and create a new project. Let's close this one. Leave this page, maybe need it here. Our Visual Studio. Let's create a new project. It will be ASP MVC. I'll call it FancyGrid app. Use MVC. Okay, just load it. So we need to use the database. I already have one database, Northwind. Okay, this one here. We'll use a customer table to show you how we load this data there. We have 91 rows. It's enough for us. Okay. Okay, first things you need to add. So now I'll start with make connection between my SQL server and my application. Need a new class, call it customer. So I need to add my properties. Here we'll take them from where? Take one by one from here. Okay. Maybe this one here. Let me copy this one to be faster. Okay. Second one, company name. Third one will be contact name. Too many writing. Okay. Just go a bit faster. City. I'll take all of them, and how many more need? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Country. Phone and fax. That's it. Close this one. Second one, what we need to add, our interface. Choose interface from here. Let's go I customer. inside I customer will be public, will be list of customer, call it get customer. We need just get. Maybe in future we'll use how to save data from same grid, but today let's just focus on just how to get data and show you how to show it just on your HTML page. So next one we need let's say customer repository. Repository. That's it. This one will be inherited from our customer. At the same time, let's implement it. We need just get. This get will return what? So we need to add one more class. Let's call it EF. So we'll use the entity framework EF DV let's call it DB context. Okay, inside this DB context should be inherited from who? From our entry framework. Where is the entry framework? Here. Install entry framework. Okay. And accept this one too. Finished. That's it. Inherited from DB, not EF. DB just DB context again, same. But not this one. Should be from our entity framework, this one. Let's add our table. Use just one table. Public DB set will be customer field. Same table name should be from SQL Server. Customers, same. Okay. Here we get and set same time. So let's try here get and set. That's it. We need more things. Just we need to add our connection string. Let's put it where in our web config under config section and app setting. I'll just pass my connection string. Just your connection string name should be same your class name. This one and this one should be same your connection string. And your database Northwind. I don't have any authentication in this one, so just close it. Close this one. So now here I'll make an instance from my EF DB context. Let's call it DB equal new DB context. Here what we will return when we call this list, we'll return db dot customer dot to list customers. That's it. Close this one now. Just let's go fast and add Ninjet. So from Nugget Manager, let's add Ninjet MVC5. This one. Install it. It will take time a bit. This one just to make for us this dependency between our interface and our repository. Just to make this service and register it. Let's say okay now. accept it. That's it. Let's go to app start, Ninja web. Let's put the button down. Register service, let's say kernel.bind. First one will be our interface, customer. Okay, let's call customer. Okay, will be .2. Sorry, first .2 to who? To customer repository. That's it. Close it. Let's close this thing here. So after we add our classes and make our connection, let's try to show this data. What you have now, data in our HTML page, a normal way generated page from ASP MVC. So let's say private read only customer. Okay, make instance from it first. Toner. Let's create our constructor. This one here. Change name. Will be customer or big one. Why? Oh, yeah. Make one. Let's call customer. That's it. So let's go to our. Let's use index or create a new one. Let's call it public action result. I will get customers. Okay, we'll return view. First of all, we need to create list from our customer. Call it model equal new customer. This model will put inside it, store all customers and customer. After that, send it to our view. Let's add this view. How we add this view? From will be list. My model will be customer. My connection, and let's say add. We need to just build our application one. Okay, again let's try it. List my model, my connection, add. This will be the normal way how many people they use it. We'll generate for you code without, let's say, without anything, just data, without paging, without filtering, without sorting data. If you want to do any things from this paging or other, you should write code by yourself. So just let me show you how will be now here. This one, code generated from ASP MVC. As you see here, all your data in one page, without any features, without no paging, no filtering, nothing here. As I said, if you wanna put paging or write code for paging or write code for any of them, will be too much for any developer. So now here, the benefit, we can use FancyGrid. FancyGrid will give you too many features for small piece of code, and you can use this code for in many places, same as you can use it with JSON or use it with the Ajax or with any kind of APIs. So our next video will be how to use this FancyGrid, or to replace this one with FancyGrid. So see you next video, and bye for now.